have you started recording? Okay. We are going to do the snail walk. It is a heel to toe, very slow walk. I'm walking for 5 meters. Rita's gonna time me. She's gonna tell me when to start.
Start.
Don't.
Why is it so quiet?
How long did it take me? 17.9 seconds. Okay, on your paper, you need to fill in my time as 17.9 seconds. 17.9 seconds. Okay, we're gonna take that time and we're gonna move down to the first section down at the bottom. Oh, my projector stuff set up. We're gonna move down to the first section at the bottom where it kind of sets us up for calculating speed.
Do I stop?
No, keep going. You're gonna film the whole thing. I know, it's gonna be so exciting.
Yeah. I'm the camera guy.
Here, you get to the
Okay, so what was my distance? My distance was 5 meters. So when I come down here to the bottom to calculate my speed, my distance I can write in is 5 meters. So 5 meters will go on top because that's my distance. And then what was my time?
17.9. Ahead. Right.
So where's my 17.9 gonna go?
Under the bar.
On bottom because that's my time. 17.9 seconds. Okay. I'm gonna put one calculator at each table, but you guys can share your answers.
I use my phone then.
Remember with division, it's distance divided by time. Distance divided by time. No, so you only need one person to do the math, and then you guys can share the answer. Can somebody tell me what 17 or 5 divided by 17.9 is?
0.28. Well, because you got to round it.
Okay, so 0.28 meters per second. Meters per second. Okay, let's go to the back. And up here, my total distance, I don't like these. My total distance is going to be 5 meters. And my time can go up to 20 seconds. So for the snail walk, I'm going to use brown because snails are brown. And I went a total of 5 meters. How long did it take me?
17.9.
Okay, 17 seconds. So a little bit closer to 20 and up to the 5 line. And I started at 0 meters and 0 seconds. And then I can just take something and I can connect those 2 points. And I have my snail walk. So I went over my 17.9 seconds because time is on the bottom, and I went up my 5 meters.
Wait, 5's at the bottom?
Time is at the bottom. There's 5, 10, 15, 20. So it took me 17.9. So that's between 15 and 20. And then my distance was 5 meters. So I went over my time and up my distance. Bless you.
Thank you.
And this right here is my 0 point. So I started at 0, 0, and I walked for 17 or almost 18 seconds and went up to 5. Are there questions about how I did that? Once you're done with that, go ahead and flip back to the front. And we're gonna do the next 2 walks. So the next one is a normal walk. I'm just gonna walk my normal speed. Same kind of thing again. I start behind 0. My time is 0. Rita has reset the stopwatch, so I'm at 0 seconds. And I'm gonna walk normal for 5 seconds. She's gonna tell me when to start.
Start.
Okay, so it took me 5.5 seconds. So my time was 5.5 seconds. My time was 5.5 seconds, and now I'm gonna do the fast walk. This is like the I'm running late, I'm gonna be late for class walking, but trying to get there. But I know Ms. Jones will yell at me if I'm running in the hallway. So it's the speed walk, okay? Did you reset it? Tell me when to start.
Start.
Okay, it was 3.8 seconds. 3.8 seconds for my speed walk. We're gonna go through the same steps again. We're gonna calculate the speed, and then we're gonna graph it. Yes, sir. 5.5 and 3.8. Okay, so back on the front. We had 5.5 and 3.8. So my speed, or my time is 5.5 seconds. My distance, how far did I walk for the normal walk?
5 point.
Was 5 meters. So speed equals distance over time. S equals, my distance needs to go on top, so I put the 5 meters on top. My time needs to go on bottom, 5.5 seconds on bottom. And can somebody calculate that for me?
Oh, I can miss.
Ethan, what did you say?
Oh, I said 11.
Okay, so here's the trick. You can't just do the easy math. So Ethan saw 5 and what looked like 55, so he got 11. Or if he had noticed the decimal, he might have gotten 1.1, which is one of the really common mistakes that we've been making. But the formula for speed is not big number divided by small number. It's distance divided by time. So when we enter it into our calculator, that's what we need to put in. Not the nicer number, but the distance number.
0.9.
What'd you get?
0.9.
You got 0.9 and you got 0.3?
9.
Okay. So 0.9 meters per second. My speed is 0.9. Meters were on top, seconds were on bottom. So I get 0.9 meters per second. Okay. Make sure you have it written in down here and that you filled it in back up in your chart. And when you have that done, go ahead and flip to the back. We'll graph our normal speed. Since we're graphing 3 different lines, we have a color key to tell us which line goes with which walk. So for the snail walk, I did it in brown, so I know that that one's the snail walk. The normal walk, I'm going to do in green. You guys can choose whatever color you want, but make sure you're including it in the color key. So my normal normal walk took me 5.5 seconds, and I went 5 meters. So if I look here, I go just a little bit past 5 because I wasn't quite at 6. I was at 5.5, and then I'm gonna go up to 5 meters and draw a point. And I started at 0, 0, so I'm gonna draw my point there. And then I'm gonna connect my 2 dots. So I go over 5.5, up 5, and I connect my 2 dots. What do you notice about this line compared to this line,
Miss, I know.
Paul?
It's longer.
This one's longer, that's true. What else? This one is steeper.
True.
Okay.
What's that?
And what does
It's
steeper
faster.
tell us again?
Faster.
It means I'm going faster. Okay, I'm gonna give you a chance to work on the last one on your own. So I want you to calculate the speed of the fast walk, and I want you to graph the fast walk. Okay?